Hello everyone, and today we'll be learning about laws of exponent. Now what are laws of exponents? The laws of exponent or exponent rules are a set of mathematical rules that simplify calculations involving exponents, including the product rule, quotient rule, power of a power rule, power of a product rule, power of a quotient rule, zero exponent rule, and negative exponent rule. Now let's begin with product law. For product law, when multiplying an expression with the same base, what you're going to do is keep the base and add the exponent. Example, 2 cubed times 2 squared. Now, since 2 has the same base, what we're going to do is keep the base and then we add the exponent. Therefore, 2 cubed plus 2 is equal, then it is equals to 2 over 5. What we're going to do now is multiply the base within the exponent. Therefore, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 32. Another example is x5 times x4. So since x has the same base, what we're going to do is keep the base and add the exponent. Therefore, x5 plus x4 equals x9. Moving on to quotient law. Now just like product law, but this time you subtract the exponent. An example is 4 over 7 divided by 4 over 5. Now, since 4 has the same base, we will keep the base and then subtract the exponent. Therefore, 4 over 7 minus 5 is equal to 4 over 2. Now, just like before, we will then begin to multiply the base within the exponent. Therefore, 4 over 4 is equal to 16. Moving on to power of a power. Now, when expression is being raised with an exponent, what we're going to do is multiply that exponent. An example is 2 cubed being raised to 2. Now, since it is being raised to 2, what we're going to do is multiply the exponent with the number being raised. Now, what I'm going to do is 2 cubed times 2 is equal to 2 over 6. Now, we then multiply the base within the exponent. Therefore, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 64. Moving on to power of a product. Now, when a base has an exponent outside the parentheses, we you add the base with the exponent. For example, 3y being raised to 2. Now, since there's an exponent outside the parentheses, what you're going to do is add add the base with the exponents. Therefore, 3 squared and y squared. What you're going to do now is multiply the number with the exponent. Therefore, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Now, since we're gonna keep the y, therefore 9y squared. Another example is 2m cubed and squared being raised to 4. Now, since there are exponents in the base, what you're going to do is what we did in power of a power, which is multiplying the exponent. Therefore 2 4m cubed times 4 and n2 times 4 is equal to 16m 12 and 8. Now, moving on to power of a quotient. Now, just like power of a product, we will have to distribute the exponent within the variables. Therefore, an example is x over 4 raised to 3. What you're going to do is add the exponent to both the x and 4. Therefore, x cubed over 4 cubed. And what you're going to do now is multiply the base. Since the x is next, it will remain the same. But for 4 on the other hand, you will have to multiply it within the exponent. Therefore, 4 times 4 times 4 is equals to x cubed over 64. Another example is 2a over 7 over 5b cubed raised to 2. Now what you're going to do is add the exponent again. Therefore, 2 square and multiply the exponent in the exponent. Therefore, 2 times 7 is 14. So a 14 over 5 squared b 6. Apologies for forgetting to turn this into exponent. Now what you're going to do is multiply it within the exponent. Therefore, 2 times 2 is equals to 4, and a remains the same. So 4a 14 over, and then we can multiply the 2 within the 5. Therefore, 10. Then b remains the same. Therefore, 4a 14 over 25b 6. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned a lot. I apologize for the mistakes. And bye.